Good evening, Dibyaji.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I am also fine. So, today's topic is employment.
Yeah.
So, tell me about girls employment.
You know that employment is important for everyone. It doesn't matter it is boy and girl. But today we talk about girls employment. So you know that employment is a very important is employment play a very important role for a girl. Means if any girl do job and any business anywhere, then she get a lot of respect in that work. If she do it right in a right way, then she get a lot of respect, and his family member is also give them respect, and as well as she support his family by financially, and she is capable to do any work by herself. She never depend on any other person. If in his life any problem is come, then she face it lonely. Means she don't need any other person for face that problem.
So, your according, which job is best for girls?
I think that it is depend on their mentality. Means which job they like. If anyone said to any girl that just take an example of a teacher. Means anyone said that a teacher's job is very good for girls, but that girl don't like that job, and she like any other job. So if his family pressurized him to do that job, and she is not crack the exam properly, then his life is also spoiled. Means she is not crack that exam, and that's why his family is also tolerate them for that she is not crack exam, and she is not doing anything in his life. But if any girl is interested in any job, and she want to do it, and also she do it, then she get a lot of interest about it. Means also she, because if we like anything, then we collect a knowledge about that work. That's why she have a knowledge, and after it she take interest on that work. If we do any work without interest, then it is happened, but not properly happened. That's why, in my opinion, if any girl want to any job, then she do that job which she like.
Which job do you like?
I like means I want to a doctor in my life. But some conditions of my family means my father is not capable to make myself a doctor, because in that everyone need money. But I have three younger sisters. That's why he think that if I gave you all money, then what your sister do in his life? That's why he told me that you means you do it, but not a high level. Just like you don't do it MBBS. You don't prepare for an MBBS exam. You think about means some little job, just like BSc nursing and any other jobs. There are many jobs in medical line. So he told me that you choose any other thing.
Means you have a lot of problems.
Yeah.
So tell me why in past time people thought that if we teach our their daughter, then he don't do work properly. Means
You know that means past time pupils mentality is that if they send their daughter in school, and after that they do any job, then means they know that how can we behave in all areas. Means you saw that educated person know that how can we behave in with every person and in any area. But they think that if they are educated, then they means they don't understand his self. That they think that if they are educated, then they get an attitude and they don't understand me and don't do the work of house. That's why they think that if they stay at home, then they do the whole work of house and they have not a capability to do anything in his life.
But if any girl live in joint family, then there's a lot of members, and they also do work at home.
Yeah, you know that if any girl live in joint family and as well as she do job, then she also do household work. But in a joint family, there are a lot of members, and if they are understand their problem, that she also do job at the office, and after it she do the work of home. Means they understand, then they also support them that they give them a relief in household works. You know that means if people think that if his daughter do job, then they support them a lot of. Means they do, his mother do household work. She think that my daughter do a lot of hard work. But if his daughter-in-law do job, then first she get up early in the morning and she prepare the food for whole family, and after that she come at home and again she prepare food. But at that time people said to them that girl that you do the job for your satisfaction. Means you like, that's why you do. I don't say to you that you do that job. I will take you at my home for doing household work. Means they think that this is right or wrong.
It's wrong
So tell me something about it, what I said.
because if girls want to do any types of job, then he go anywhere. Then he has no home and go anywhere. Then it's our capability to give him a house because he live here. Maybe we can give the home on rent.
Yeah.
Yeah. But don't taunt her because she come to do job because she has a problem. Then he come.
So tell me something about means women's employment.
Employment is the most important in everyone. But without employment we do means in past time. In present time, many pupils who don't send their daughter anywhere to job. Then nowadays we have a lot of technology like mobile phone. And then about it we do. If you have any types of talent, and then you show up by the mobile phone, and you can do. There's a lot of apps about that. You earn money that by that.
You know that means many women want to do job, but because of some problems, they don't capable to do that job. But they want to do any business, and his family is not supportive. At that time, what they do?
It's her it's her if in her family no one support her, then she find any types of work like I I tell you a example. In my auntie's home, she live in Farukabad. Then she when she live alone, then she do a lot of work like they selling the beads means I don't know that's name, but there's we earn money and there's we give you know that job means landing.
Yeah, I know because in Kolkata there are a lot of work for women.
Yeah.
They do a lot of work. I know about it because my mother is belong to Kolkata.
Then you know properly.
Because there's a lot of work for women, and they also do it. You saw at noon time that every woman is busy in his work.
Yeah.
They do different types of work. But you know that I asked a question and I gave you an example. Not example, answer. You know that if any girl's family is not supporting, means any woman's family, and she want to do job, then she use, in my opinion, she use social media. Because in that, if she show their talent there, because I think that every woman have a talent of cooking. Because every woman know that how to cook any food. If any food is spoiled, then they also fix it. Because I saw my mother many times that if anything is means if any vegetable is getting waste, then she use it. She reuse it. Then I think that every woman have a talent, and if they show their talent on that, then after some time she earn a lot of money about by it. And also she use cloud kitchens because it is not available in our area, but in big cities it is also available. Means women she use it, and she prepare food, and the delivery boys come and take his parcel and deliver any other's house.
I don't know, but you tell me then. Now you tell me. Now you tell me. Which job is most important means girls and boys in our India?
I think that both jobs are important. Means if they both do job, then they live their life properly. You want to do debate?
No, I don't want to debate, but I think that in past time, no one means girl do any types of job.
I think that they do job, but they are not doing job just like men in office and in any shop. They do job in field. Because of beside my house, my grandmother is there. Then she told me about his pastime that she do job in the fields, and she also do a lot of hard work, and after it she live his life. She spend his life. Means she suffer by a lot of problems because his husband is also died. And many women tell about his past. Then she do job at means at field, but she get a low salary than women.
So ask me.
You said that the boy tomorrow. You said that means yesterday. You said that the employment of boy is necessary than women's.
Yeah.
Why?
Because in past time, no women do a job. Means only she do in field. But our India grow up by the companies and also by the companies also.
So if the women's do works and jobs, then the condition of India is bad in past time.
No,
Then tomorrow you said that boys do. That's why it's going on. So I think
I
that.
say, I want to say that in present time, people said that I heard a lot of people the woman's job is most important because in my area mostly people said that. So I tell.
So tomorrow Rudra said that. Yeah. Yes. You are very intelligent. Okay. Okay, so you tell me the condition of now, the employment of women is going on and also increasing. So, what's the condition of future? If the boys don't do hard work, then what's happening in future time? Or according to me, in the past, opposition is happened in future. Yeah, it's right.
Because now time boys are very lazy.
Yeah.
But
You are right.
but women grow up a lot of and ahead than boys.
You are accurate, right? And absolutely also. You have any question?
Is that why?
Yes, sir. You tell me the advantage of women's employment.
I do not know the advantage of.
If you know, then you tell me.
I know a bit.
Yeah. Okay, and otherwise, Satya and
Just like that, when only the men doing employment and now the girls are doing employment, so I think that the equality is increasing and also our country growing.
yeah, you are right. Because I said that the employment of women is not good in which conditions?
I think that because the population of man is now increased too much, and the population of women is fall down. So I think that people says, and nowadays women are not going ahead into the business, I think.
Also, some areas they provide than boys also.
But not in every area.
Yeah. Also, in not every area, men's is ahead than boys. This is the effect of both things. So you tell me, which person means which gender employment is much necessary?
I think a man.
Why?
Because I think only.
Okay.
The man is doing hard work, more hard work than a woman, and I already tell you the population of men are increased too much to the women, and if every woman get the employment, I think that it is not equal to the men's employment.
Means you said that men do hard work than women.
Yeah,
It is right.
it is right.
How you said that means men do hard work more than women's.
The men do hard work in the field and also in their business. I think that there's a bit of women who do business and also in the fields.
So I suppose that any person doing business and he stay outside for his whole day and the woman stay home and she do nothing at home.
She do, but not more than men, because nowadays the temperature is increased too much, and
It's too difficult to survive outside, means stay outside. So you know that if you stay at home and you have a work of cooking, means it's also reduce heatness and it's too hot. After you cook food in the kitchen, stay or 2 hours or 3 hours.
after that means after doing the whole work we can sleep, but it is not possible in the building. If we sleep, then after anyone can our shop and steal anything from us, I think.
Means if they sleep then it's a rest for means then means also men are also rest at their homes.
But at night,
Also many people who came in our days. Yeah. And they, if you came from outside and you said that I need anything for because I am hungry, you said that time. Means at that time your which is empathy at that time they show the empathy skills and how you feel. Very well.
means my stomach is blank, means empty.
Yeah.
Then after I asked for my mother to make the food and anything.
There is also men. Yeah.
I can't understand you.
Means mother is also maybe showing the difference between women's and men's.
Means before this question you asked a question. Can you tell me?
Which question? ask only the difference between the employment of man and women. Okay, you have any question, then you ask.
What is the importance of women's employment?
The employment of men is very necessary because nowadays population is also increased and the 1% don't survive well. Other means their family. So if the both means partners are earning money, then it's easy to survive their family. So that's why this is necessary. And also for equality.
Sometime ago you said that the population of men is increased in a present time, but the population of girls is decreased. You know that why it is happening?
Because I think that some girls child is played into the
Before the birth.
before the birth.
That's why it is happening. So you know that's why our TM take a slogan
Yeah.
for saving the girls.
Save life. Save girls.
Save girls and educated girls. Educate girls. You know that why they take it?
Because I think that because
Ask me if you have any question because I
The same question which I asked you.
so he
So tell me that Rudra said that the population of men is increasing day by day, but the girls' population is decreasing. So why it is happening?
I don't think that is right or wrong because I don't know that girls population is increasing much or not.
You know that people think that if any girl baby born, then they also collect the money for their dowry. Means they getting happy, but not just like a boy. If any boy is born, then they become a lot of happy. Because I also saw it at my street. They said that if a boy baby born, then I distribute a lot of sweets. But when a girl baby born, then his face is become too small. And means they become very sad. So that's why I think that means they think all people think that a boy would be born. But when a girl born, then all people become happy. Means not all. I think mostly people become sad.
But I think this time will change. Not all people, but some people is like past news that who think that if any girl born that time we feel very sad and if any boy born that time we feel very well because I don't, it's not my opinion but I think
Yeah.
because I think that if any boy is born that time, he think that he either my family is and he
You know that means the people think that they don't think that nowadays means a girls and boys are equal. If anyone born, then also in his life, if they are not getting any job, then they also do a small job and also survive their And if I do
said that girls are gonna ahead a lot of than boys. Why so? I tell you, any boy make a shop and like food. Then many people said that he is useless and uneducated and idiot, and still he do a lot of hard work. If a girl do a soft food, then many people said that this lady do a lot of hard work. That's why girls are gonna ahead a lot of than boys.
You tell me past time why are you too young for cast food? You said people said he is useless.
Yeah,
Which people said that he is useless.
many people.
Also in girls, many people said that she is characterless, and they ask many questions to her. The work of people is only same.
But not many, but some only who is educated,
Also in the case of boy,
but not boys. Because everyone said that he is useless.
if you open any shop and street food, then you suffer a lot of things.
Yeah,
Really.
yeah.
First you try it, after telling me.
I saw some people who do a shop. Then many people said that he is uneducated and useless. And but you saw Bada Pav lady, and he sells Bada Pav and 50 rupees. But everyone buy each Bada Pav. But if a boy do that work, then no one can't